हेलो बच्चा लोग, व्हाट्सअप। Once again your Dipti Nani is back with a new story. Once upon a time there lived a stag. You know what is a stag? Stag is a male deer, especially a male red deer after its fifth year. And you know, this stag has beautiful antlers. You know what is antlers? Antlers are each of the branched horns on head of an adult deer, typically a male deer, and they are made of bones, and they are grown and cast every year. They are just like horns of any other animal, but they are very big. So one day, when Stag was drinking water, he saw his reflection in the water, and he was very happy to see his nice antlers. He felt he had very nice antlers, and he was extremely happy. But just after some time, he saw the reflection of his legs and feet, and he felt sad. He felt that he had very lean and thin legs, and it was really looking very lousy and horrible legs. Suddenly, he heard the roar of a tiger. Ah! And he saw that the tiger was approaching him. And he started on his feet and ran and ran and ran. And just within 2 minutes, he was out of the sight of tiger, and tiger was out of his sight. So here his thin legs only helped him. And then what happened? Then, when he was moving further, suddenly he came under the tree somewhere. There were a lot of bushes, and his antlers got entangled in those bushes. He couldn't take out his antlers, he couldn't move, and now he was getting scared that in case the tiger would approach, what would he do? But suddenly, with all the energy, all the power, and with those lean legs and such feet, he went on moving front and back with his legs. And while moving his legs front and back, front and back, front and back, his antlers came out from those bushes, and he was freed from those bushes. So he was very happy, and then he realized that he had nice, beautiful antlers, but at the same time, God had given him lean, very thin, but useful legs. Only because of those thin and lean legs, he could save himself from tiger, and he could also free himself from the bushes. So, what do you learn from the story? We learn from the story that beauty is nice to see, and we feel nice, we have anything beautiful. But at the same time, if that beauty does not have any utility, if it does not help to protect you, to save your life, it is totally useless. So, we can give the title of the story Beauty without utility is useless. If you like my story, to like, share, and subscribe if you have not. And do press the notification icon, so as soon as your Dipti Nani comes with a new story, you will immediately get the notification. And till I come with a novel story, I would like to tell you bye. But just a thing more. Please try to tell any of the stories to your parents, to your grandparents, to your teachers, and even to your friends. Maybe In the beginning, initially, you may not feel comfortable, but if we keep on doing that, one day you will be able to narrate the story even in a better way than what Dipti Nani narrates. So, okay, bye. Love you.